I'm from...
Tagnunungin mo muna ako. Huwag kang
Opo.
sagot.
Opo.
Kayo ang kumpanya eh. Bakit kayo sumasagot? Sagutin mo, FDA.
Yes po, the FDA granted the approval for the importation. It granted the approval on June 23, only for clinical trial.
June 20,
The
June
product-
23, ang date nito, June 2, 2023.
Yes po.
Oh, in-approve sa Vietnam, July 2023. Nag-grant ka, anong date ka nag-grant sa Pilipinas?
The June 23 po yung,
Anong June? Anong June?
June 2023 po, yung
Anong date sa June?
23 po.
June 23.
June
Eh, ba't
23.
natapos yung field trial niya ng June 2, 2023? Paano yon? Please explain to me. May field trial siya na natapos ng June 2, 2023. Eh sabi mo, in-approve mo June 23, 2020.
Okay, sorry po, I will correct myself po. Dabay po kasi on May 23, 2023, endorsed to FDA issuance of special import permit for 600,000 doses for phase 2 clinical trial nila po.
Phase 2 yan. We're talking
Phase
of
two.
phase 1 eh.
At the phase 1 po, on December 2 naman, 2022, on January 16, 2023, BAI issued authorization to import ASF vaccine and test kits signed by Dr. Limson po, the BAI
Bakit kayo
director.
nagpa-import eh walang, hindi nga na-approve
Hindi po
sa
kami
Vietnam?
nagbigay ng authorization po, yung BAI po.
Oh,
I'm just stating the fact po that BAI issued the
pa
authorization.
na-approve sa Vietnam, na-approve lang July 2023. Bakit kayo mag-field trial ng earlier
Yes,
than that?
I think that it's the BAI.
Bakit ka susunod sa kanya?
We are not following po
Oh,
the,
hindi ka nag-issue.
we did not issue any
Oh, so sino nag-issue?
BAI po.
Bakit siya mag-i-issue?
That I do not know po. Because
Is she authorized to issue?
they are not authorized po kasi we received a letter nga po on December 2, 2022. Ang sabi po ni Director Limson to DG Sakate is this certification is being issued for the application pa nila for ASF vaccine registration in the Philippines. And the registration is
Importation.
Hindi po.
Registration pa lang. Oo.
no po, mauuna po kasi yung clinical trial before registration. Yung registration po kasi is
In-approve yun.
hindi po siya in-approve for commercial use.
Ka magki-clinical trial nang hindi approve sa Vietnam.
Source.
Eh kung yung source, hindi pa nila na-approve. July 2 lang nila, July 2023 nila i-approve. Eh baka tayo magki-clinical trial earlier than that? Eh kung sila na gumawa, hindi nga nila pa na-approve, tayo mauna pa? Bakit tayo so excited? Ha? Why are we so excited? You answer, Assistant Director. Why are you so excited?
Sorry. Ma'am, ito po. Sorry, ma'am. This was agreed upon by VITAC and endorsed po ng aming director. Nagkataon lang po yung sa press statement. Ako lang po kasi ang spokesperson, kaya nirelay ko lang po yung results ng trial. Yeah, as spokesperson po ng... Yes, ma'am.
Assistant Director ka eh.
Yes, ma'am. As spokesperson po ng BAI, na-relay ko lang po yung results ng clinical
ikaw,
trial.
Director, bakit mo aaprobahan yung hindi nga approve sa Vietnam, aaprobahan mo sa Pilipinas?
Ma'am, yun pong marami na po kasing clamor for a solution to ASF.
Hindi naman, maraming clamor sa solution to ASF, but hindi mo bibigyan ng maling solution, di ba? Ang nagko-complain sa inyo, yung mga, ano din eh, mga, yung sector ng ano eh, kino-complain kayo eh. Oh, kayo ikino-complain eh, ng mga sector ng agriculture eh. Sasabihin mong clamor yan. Okay lang na bigyan natin ng solution ng ASF. But hindi para pagkaperahan natin, ha? Ha? Ba't nagiging ano nyo yung ganyan? Hindi pa approve sa Vietnam. Vietnam ang gumawa eh. I-importin nyo para mag-clinical trial kayo. Di hintayin nyo muna yung Vietnam, di ba? O, hindi man tayo gumawa niyan eh. Vietnam ang gumawa niya. Kung sila, hindi nga nila ina-approve, ba't natin gagawin? Hmm? Relative ka daw ng supplier. O, sino relative mo sa supplier? O, sino
Ma'am, wala
relative
po.
mo sa supplier?
Ma'am, hindi po ako relative ng supplier, sorry.
Siya. Relative ka ng supplier.
Sorry po, ma'am, hindi po talaga. I am not. Na-meet ko lang, ma'am, actually, yung supplier nung nag-a-apply sila for clinical trial, yung mag-supply dito ng bakuna, but I haven't met them before.
May information na relative ka ng supplier.
Ma'am, hindi po talaga. Sorry po, hindi po talaga, ma'am.
By Kasi binabasa ko to eh. Press release ka ng press release, June 2. July 2023 lang inapprove sa Vietnam eh. Tapos na clinical trial mo by June 2, first phase. Ba't nyo ginagawa yan? Ha? Ano yung reason nyo dyan?
Yung safety trial, ma'am, was conducted sa Bureau of Animal Industry, and then the efficacy trial was conducted in 6 farms in Luzon.
Meron ka pang statement ng August eh. Huwag nyo gagawin yan. Nakakahiya. Kaya tayo, pinakabobo tayo sa lahat. Nung 1950s, the best tayo sa agriculture. Ngayon, tayo naiwan na tayo sa agriculture. Timo dito, Phase 1, February 1, 2023 to May 1 to May 2023. So, sinasabi mo, FDA, hindi ka nag-issue ng permit.
We only issued po authorization to import the 300,000 doses po, yung last. Only for field trial po, not for
Gaano karami ba ang ginagamit sa field trial?
yung alam ko po sa yung one of the clinical trials ginawa sa Vietnam, they only use 30
Ano?
they only use around 60.
Ba't ka mag-i-issue
Pigs po.
ng 300,000?
Yes po, ang issuance po kasi ng FDA is we approve it without
Issuance of permit
to
for field trial.
trial lang po.
Anong quantity dapat ng field trial?
Yung determination po kasi ng field trial will be based on the clinical trial protocol that they will be
Ilan
prepared.
dapat ang i-important for field trial?
That will depend po dun sa kanilang
Ilan?
clinical trial protocol.
Ikaw,
Definite-
FDA
opo.
ka, hindi mo alam kung ano iaalaw mo?
Definitely po, it will not be around 300,000.
Ilan?
Uh,
You have an idea?
based
You have been
on-
doing the job for so long.
yes
You have
po.
an idea?
Based po on the clinical trial done in Vietnam, 60 lang naman po ang kailangan.
Ba't ka nag-issue ng 300,000?
That was po the request that came from Bureau of Animal Industry po.
Ba't kayo nag-request ng 300,000 kung 60,000 lang ang
Yeah,
kailangan?
the BIA po requested. Thank you po.
Dr. Williamson, kasi nagdi-deny na yung assistant mo kaya ikaw na sumagot. Sabi, turo mo daw yan Nagtuturuan na kayo Pero siya, press release ng press release.
Madam Senator, noon pong time na yon, merong available na vaccine si Vietnam, pero marami pong countries ang nag-aagawan for the
Ay,
supply.
hindi nag-aagawan. Ayaw nga tanggapin na ibang country. Kayo lang ang may gusto ang Thailand, nag-reject na Tapos ang sabi sa press release, it's not 300,000, may dadating pa. 300,000 lang inisyu mo. Oh,
Po.
ba't sinasabi sa press release may dadating pang mas malaki? Ano 'yon? Ano tawag doon? I-smuggle?
If it is not authorized by FDA po, it will be considered smuggle po, siyempre.
Oh, kasi sa press release 600,000. Dapat 60,000 lang. Alam nyo, magpapasa kami ng batas, yung Anti-Agricultural Economic Sabotage Law. Ang ano dyan is, life sentence. Kasama ang gobyerno. Pagkasali kayo dyan, pati kayo life sentence and non-bailable. Habang tinatry ang case nyo, ikukulong kayo. Kaya pag-ingatan nyo yan, hindi biro-biro yan. Kasi one of the reason why tayo ay nagkakaganito, dahil smuggling, cartel, profiteering, hoarding. Yan lahat life sentence. Whether you are the private sector who did it and yung kasabwat na government. And non-bailable. Kahit mayaman kayo, lagyan nyo yung judge at mawalan kayo, hindi kayo maparusahan, pero nakakulong muna kayo bago mag-decide ang judge. O siguro yung mayayaman, ayaw naman nila makulong, di ba? Kaya pag-ingatan nyo yan, huwag nyo gagawin yan. Baka akala nyo biro-biro yan. Bakit? Pwede naman tayong kumita sa mga bagay na legal eh. Yung mga ka-deal nyo naman, mayayaman yan eh. Huwag nyo parasahan yung mahihirap na farmer. Dahil gusto nyong kumita. Kawawa naman yung mahihirap. Tayo naman, hindi naman tayo nagugutom. Diba? Sila nagugutom. At nyo ginagawa yan sa mga farmer. Tatakot sila kasi baka mamaya meron ditong statement na pinapipirman nyo ng pinapipirman nila ng waiver sa clinical trial. Nasaan yun? Why is there a document entitled Waiver and Confirmation of Participation AVAC ASF Live Attenuated Vaccine being distributed by the supplier as a condition of using the product? Was this used for trial only or sale? If this is for trial, why is BAI not on top of it or FDA but a private entity? What is it for the private entity if the scheme is just for field trials? Are the trials for free to participating farms? Why are they doing it themselves and no independent third party? So, hindi trial. Pinagbibili and then pinasasign nila ng waiver. Why are you allowing that?